Hey, hi. This is Cheryl from My Bariatric Life, coming to you today on this beautiful day from my vegetable garden. Isn't she a beauty? Hey, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite things, green juices. Green juices, that's right. It's a combination of different types of green vegetables, although you can put other types of veggies in there. Eat from the rainbow, as they say. Add in some herbs, some sprouts, and a little bit of fruit to give it sweetness and get all those wonderful micronutrients into your body. You can actually pack a lot of vegetables into a green juice. And that's particularly good for folks who've had bariatric surgery because we still do need our micronutrients, but we've got a tiny little tummy to tuck them into. But the thing is, like most people, I cannot grow a kitchen garden year round. So I turned to drinking Ultra Superfoods Greens. Now, this is a product that I was recently introduced to. It's packed full with way more vegetables than I actually put into the fresh pressed juices that I make. And it's also got great things like bee pollen, spirulina, wheat and barley grasses. Now these are truly superfoods that you may not be aware of unless you're a health nut like me, but they are really good for you. So just Google it if you want to learn more about them. It's also got many additional benefits in here that I'm not able to put into my fresh pressed juices. Things like a detoxifying blend or an energizing blend or an alkalinity blend, specifically formulated and added in, but it's all taken from nature. It's not, it's not something that is a chemical. There's just a whole lot of great things in this product, and I'm really happy too that they've put in digestive enzymes and probiotics because if you know me, you know I'm all about the gut health. So how awesome is that? But you know what? What's important too is what's not in here. That's really as important as what's in here. So it doesn't have the bad stuffs like artificial colors, preservatives, and sugars. It's actually sweetened with a little bit of stevia, which also is an herb that comes from nature. And if you haven't tried green juices yet, then this is the perfect time to do it. And if you're already a fan of green juices, then I think you're really going to enjoy Ultra Super Greens. So check it out.